In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a layer and how to export the whole image with all the layers flattened together. So to export a layer, just click on the layer you want. So let's say we want to export the dog. I'm going to click on that layer and then go to Layer, Export As. And we'll save it as a JPEG. And I'll go ahead and leave all these default settings, but you can see here you can change it to different sizes and quality levels and stuff like that. So I'm going to say export, and we'll name it cute_dog JPEG. And I'll replace that because I already had it saved. And now I'll show you how to export like the whole image and not just the dog. So you can also do File, Export, Export As. And this time I'm going to leave it on JPEG. I'm going to make the quality this time 70. And I have the image size at 600, 480. And I'll leave the rest of these as default. And I will say export. And I'll just call this one dog JPEG. Alright, now I'll go ahead and open both of those so you can see what they came out like. When I did just the layer of the dog, it gave me just the dog as its own file, and then when I exported the whole thing, it gave me all of my layers exported as one flattened image.